Pivot joints are at the center of any rotational movement. Unfortunately, most machines experience play at pivot pins, and play causes lug wear. So, how come lug holes wear, and why is it a problem? Well, to enable installation, lug holes are slightly larger than the diameter of the pin, and this is causing play. When a machine operates, the pivot pin moves due to the tolerance needed for installation. As the pin is cylindrical and the lug hole is larger, the load is concentrated over a small contact area. This means that the lug holes will deform as they are the softer material. As wear in the lug hole grows, precision decreases. Sooner or later, the lugs need to be restored to their original diameter and tolerances. Commonly, this requires welding and line boring. In other words, unwanted downtime for your machine. The expander system solves lug wear by evenly distributing the load. Expansion sleeves are mounted on the tapered pin. As the fasteners are tightened, the sleeves will expand. Now that the play between the hole and the pin is eliminated, the pin is fixated into the structure, creating a stronger and more durable construction. The load is distributed over a larger area, and instability caused by lug wear will no longer occur. Expander system, the permanent solution to lug wear.